Welcome to Chef Food channel. Viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. In today's video, Chef Food is going to display modern style stove design for newly made modern style kitchen. As you can see, various style stoves are shown in the shelf. You can place your stove on the shelf like this, and also like cooking range, gas oven style. So for proceeding further, if you are new in our channel Chef Food, kindly subscribe us and also hit the bell icon so that our every new video notification comes to you and you are not gonna miss any of our latest video update. So guys, you can see 50 plus designing ideas about stove for modern style kitchen. So if you are making new modern style kitchen, you can make stove of your kitchen like this, like cooking range design, like simple stove, like stove embedded in the shelf. So these are the designs, hoping that you find it helpful. If these are helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and also give us feedback how was the video and what should be our next video topic. And you can also suggest new topics for our upcoming video so that we can make video for you according to your wish, according to your desire. Various recipes regarding Pakistani, Indian, Italian, Mexican and continental dishes are in our channel, so kindly rush to the other recipes that we have uploaded in our channel Chef Food and give us the feedback how was your experience. Chef Food is a channel that make variety food for you and recently started vlogging for you people. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned to our channel Chef Food for more modern style kitchen ideas and also recipe related videos. I will meet you in my next video. Till there, take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to like the video.